wanted to show you today how you can go about cleaning up the inside of a pair of scissors, and I've taken these apart so that I can get to them easier. You really don't have to do that. You can clean most of it. You can't clean in between, which is part of the reason I did that. Now, I'm going to use WD-40, and I'm just going to squirt it on here. I know that a lot of people out there in the world hate WD-40, but it's useful for a lot of things. And then we're going to take some coarse steel wool. Now, you want to not necessarily get onto the cutting edge, but just work over where the rust is. You can see that rust on the edge right there. Alright, so as you can see, that's removed the rust off of these. There's still some discoloration, but I'm not really worried about it. I just don't want the rust coming off on, you know, fabric or paper or whatever it is that I'm using. The WD-40 also kind of gives a little bit of a rust preventative on there. It keeps the water off of it. Alright, that's got them put back together and adjusted, and now the rings of the handle are very smooth and feel really good in the hand. Alright, well, I hope that was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.